Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline R-Line vehicle. Look at those nice R-Line dark gray wheels with a dark gray paint job and a black leather interior. Coming around inside, you'll notice a nice blacked out headliner, nice aluminum scuff plates. This vehicle, on the key, you will get the power tailgate button and remote start as well. Coming around to the rear seats, the second bench does slide forward and backwards. This is a third row style of vehicle, so you do have seats in the back, which I'll show you in a second. You have USB-C down low at 12 volt, and you have air vents directed at the passengers. This switch here is for accessing those rear seats. This being the Highline, you do have a power tailgate. You have the classic two levers here on the side for folding the second row bench seats. You've got a nice open cargo capacity as well. To pull up the second row here, all you got to do is find this strap and pull it up. Once the seat is up, you will have all the seat space you need. To fold it back down, simple. Push of the seat forward and down it goes. Coming around now to the driver's side of the vehicle here, you'll notice that this vehicle does have tinted windows front and back already, helping you save some money. You do have Fender premium audio in this vehicle. Coming on down, power tailgate switch. Driver's seat does have full power adjustability, lumbar, backrest, height, forward, aft, and you also have the benefit of having memory. Looking at the center console real quick, just show you the infotainment system. You have navigation. This is the quick image of the backup camera. You do have full 360 cameras available as well as sensors. This vehicle does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well. Coming down, you'll see that you do have a mode button down by the gear shift, giving you different modes based on how you're driving or how you'd like to drive. You can switch it over to normal for now. Engine auto on and off, electronic parking brake. You have your start stop engine button. You got your Qi wireless charging pad right there, USB-C, 2 ports there, and you do have a 12 volt just down below. Looking over at the climate control stack, you do have dual zone climate control as well as heated seats. The driver's side has the benefit of also having the heated steering wheel. Coming around now to the classic Volkswagen steering wheel, you'll notice the R-Line, as this is the R-Line badge, R-Line here. If you look over to the left, you will see all of your cruise control and driver assist controls. On the right side, you'll have all of your dashboard and media controls. If I go ahead and click the driver assist, you'll see that this car has lane assist, adaptive cruise control, side assist, rear traffic alert, front assist, giving you all the safety features you could look for. You do also have the benefit of moving navigation from this map to the center here to help keep your eyes on the road and more in front of you. This vehicle has 44,388 kilometers on it. And once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to introduce to you the perfect 3-row compact SUV that we have here at Volkswagen with the well-known Tiguan brand. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to us here at the store, and we'd be happy to answer anything that you have and help guide you along your vehicle journey. Thank you again. Take care.